Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my hair because you already know what's about to happen. It's gonna get fixed. So I thought today we'd be doing something to fix this because okay, yeah. Oh yeah, this is actually day one hair. Okay, yeah, I can explain this. I just wet it out and combed through it yesterday, but then I just put it in a bun and then like went to sleep, but I didn't care. I didn't really put anything in it or anything, so it's dry and frizzy and nothing's defined. It's like this. This is how it looks. So yeah, we're gonna just style this because it looks no bueno. I decided I wanted to do a video like this because like you guys seem to like my last video where I did with my hair, like a hair routine. What did I do? Yeah, my curly hair routine and stuff. So I decided to do another one. Why not? Am I right, ladies? Okay, but yeah, let's just get right into the video. I don't want to hold you guys any longer. Okay. We're gonna start by putting water in my hair. A lot of water. And people have been asking me where I've gotten this thing from. Amazon. It's like a continuous setting mist, so I spray it like once. And it like sprays for like a long time, so you don't have to keep me like ch-ch-ch-ch. You just, and even when you do press it twice, it like just continues. So it gets your hair faster, quicker. What did I just say? Get your hair wetter, faster. It's gonna pre-film today so that I have some videos for you guys. And the first one I gotta do, of course, is my hair because can't be like walking around town, my hair looking crusty and dusty. Am I right, ladies? Like filming my videos with my hair looking like. Can't do that. Okay, so first product I'm gonna use, I'm gonna actually use this Cantu leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioning repair cream. It looks like this. I'm just gonna use a little bit of it. It's kind of thick, like me. So I'm just gonna use like a little bit of it and just smooth it over my hair. And you see how, okay, I don't know if you could tell, but my hair already looks so much better. Just, well, feels way better just from me putting conditioner in it. And I think that's like a #1 tip with your hair, especially when you're like trying to figure out what your hair likes. Like, condition it, at least give it a chance. Like, putting a bunch of product on it was nice and everything, but when you have conditioner and your hair's conditioned, I don't know where I was going with that, it can perform at its best, you know? Okay, so now I'm going to take like this top piece. I'm not gonna take anything from the sides. I like to leave the sides down. So take like this. I'm gonna take it like fairly back, like to the crown of my head. Around there. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, okay, that's not trying to separate. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna wet that up more. Gotta take more conditioner. Hope for the best. Okay. Let's try this again. So much better. Okay, so I'm just gonna part this off because I'm not worried about this part right now. And honestly, you could style it like this if you want. I'm not going for that right now, but oh, it stayed. Lit. Okay, cool. If I wanted to, I could just leave it like this. Obviously, I wouldn't make it this lumpy, but you know what I mean. And as you can see, me wetting it just makes it way easier to manage and style, because it's like basically like me coming out the shower again without actually having to go soak it in the tub or wet it in the sink or take a whole nother shower. I actually wanted to try this, so I'm gonna try it now. This it's like the brand Curls, the blueberry and coconut hair milk. I got it on clearance, don't judge me, okay? They put the clearance sticker like all over the brand name. I love that. Not giving anyone a chance, making sure everyone knows it's on clearance. Like, okay, it's gonna take that much. I'm gonna comb through. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like Sour Patch Kids. It smells like candy, like blueberry. Yes, blueberry Sour Patch Kids. And you see how they already look like way more alive than they did before. Oh wow, that looks really nice actually. Fallout, that's cool. Fallout is what I just call it. Shedding. I'm getting my makeup terms and my hair terms mixed up, but yeah, see how this looks, and you see how this looks way better already. Okay, and I'm just finger detangling it. I could use a brush if I wanted to, but I don't feel like ripping out like all my hair, so I'm just gonna use my fingers right now. Okay, so I'm gonna take more of this. Just repeat the process. Now this side is my stubborn side, so a lot of times like on this side, like I could stretch out my curl, like, you know, by like putting product in it, and then it'll stretch it out and then you scrunch it and it goes back up. This side, when I stretch it out, it likes to stay stretched, and then like, see this one right here? This one, how it's like still straight at the bottom. This side, I don't know, this side does not like mess with me at all. It doesn't care what I do. It's not with the shits, like it's just not. I think this is basically done for the bottom. Super simple. And now I'm gonna work on the top, which I'm gonna do like I was thinking maybe 2 buns or something like that. I'm gonna grab like a comb. I'm gonna use the end. Okay, let's figure this out. Okay, I hope this is straight. Okay, cool. That's not the bun, guys. Now I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna like mini detangle. I'm not gonna go as hard as I was going down there, because it doesn't really need to be that detangled. It could be a little knotty. That would actually help a bit. I'm not saying just leave it like knotty, but like if it's a little textured, that wouldn't hurt the bun, because it would just make the bun a little thicker. You know, we like our buns thick. So I'm just gonna smooth out all this. Okay, now I'm gonna grab some Eco Styler, the gel. It's the argan oil one. Doesn't really matter, I guess. I don't know. I just like this one. And I'm gonna just smooth it over all 4 sides of where I'm gonna make this bun happen at. I'm gonna take a brush. Now, just gonna twist at the base and just keep twisting, but then as I get like farther towards the end, start loosening up the twists just so I can start getting big. Like the bun can start being a little bigger. And then once it's like that, like in the shape that you want it, just bobby pin it into place, or you can like use a scrunchie or something. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the same thing to the side. I'm just gonna wet it, put the hair milk in, and then the gel, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I've finished the buns, I'm gonna take out some of the baby hairs. And then I'm just gonna add some Eco Styler on top of them first before I do anything. And I'm gonna also add it like at this part of like the part, like just so that this part is kind of flat, like not flat, just like a little bit like together, like not so messy. And then also like the sideburns and stuff. And then I'm gonna style it with this brush, the edge control brush. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm gonna go on top of the gel with Murray's Edge Wax. It's like a real edge control. This is for straight up edges, and I could use this by itself, but I like being able to mold it and not have it be so strong the first time as I'm trying to like figure out where I want to put my edges, like, you know, where I want to put the hairs, and then just going on top of my final work with this edge control. This is of course extra, but you know, that's me. And I've noticed from using this, just using like a little bit on top of the gel, that my edges last much longer. Because usually like, when I just use gel by itself during the day, it would just like the edges would just turn into like, they'd either like lift up off my head or just turn into like little fuzzies and just, you know, they wouldn't be laid anymore like after a while. Like I do this and I usually just do this and go, so that could be my fault. But when I do this and I put the Murray's on top of it, I don't have to even like put the scarf to really lay it. Like I don't have to do that. Okay, so this is like basically the final look. I'm gonna just add some finishing touches to it, but you could basically leave it like this. I'm gonna add a little bit of this Cream of Nature Pure Honey Texturizing Curl Setting Lotion. I got it from Target. I didn't know what setting lotion was, like a liquid form. That I tried it out a couple times. It smells super good and I like the way it works in my hair. It's kind of like a gel that's in liquid form. It's weird. It's kind of messy. I don't like the way you have to like pour it out onto your hand, but I just know like it makes my hair really shiny and makes it hold the curl more. That's all I know. It does that and I like that, so I use it sometimes when I want to be a little extra and I have time to be pouring it out and everything. And I also am going to use this. This is the OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco Weightless Healing Dry Oil. I'm sure you all have seen this. It's just oil to spray in your hair. I don't really think it does anything, guys, just so we're clear. I just know it makes my hair look shiny and I like that shiny look because it makes my hair look moisturized and everything. I appreciate that. I also got these little hair jewelry things. I got it off Amazon. I think this was like $8 maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna just add it into the bun so I can add some type of depth. I don't know if I should do gold or silver. I usually do gold, but like with the shirt and everything, I might do silver. I'm just gonna clip it onto like a little piece of the bun, and I just open it because someone was asking me how I did this one time. And you just like scoop it in like a little piece of hair and just bend it closed so it looks like that. Oh yeah, I think I like the silver. Just adds a little fun dimension to your hairstyle. And sometimes I like to do this with even like when I do like one bun. It's really cute. Dresses up your bun. There you go. There you go. Okay, so now I think this hairstyle is finally complete. And if you see this hairstyle in different videos, mind your business, pre-filming, okay? So if you guys decide to recreate this look, tag me. I'd love to see it, or just DM me if you don't want to tag me, like whatever. At Makeup by T or at Tiani Mcloyd, whichever. My, like all the social medias or whatever you kids call it nowadays, they will be linked down in the description box below, so you can like follow me or whatever. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed this hairstyle. Hope you guys copy this hairstyle. Even if you don't like use the hairstyle, hope you guys like try out some of the products that I use maybe. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Make sure you like the video, okay? Because you got this far, so just like the video. Just like the video, like why not? Like why would you? Like you don't, it doesn't cost money. It's free. It helps me. Like, why not? Like, why not? And leave a comment. Helps me too, and it's free. Even if you say nice. Like, I mean, say whatever you want. Just interact with the video, please. Thank you. Okay, bye, guys. Okay, the intro. Okay. Yeah. Ow. Ow. Yeah, that's not trying to. Okay, cool. That's cool. That's cool. Ow. Put the cool. So I've never done silver before, but it came with like a silver in it, so I thought it was cute. Oh, of course I just dropped them all. Cool. Okay, I'm just gonna clip it